Hello and welcome to every other update video approximately XRP. Yeah, at the XRP chart, the marketplace is still quite lots in an unchanged state of affairs. We are nonetheless forming higher highs and higher lows. You can see that after this swing low shaped right here in December, absolutely right here at the 10th of December, the marketplace has been shifting up, right? Just lacking that. Further upside is still lacking, manifestly. Pending, right? And yeah, so we're nevertheless ready and watching for similarly upside. And the next circulate to the upside right here, yeah, could nonetheless or could already be unfolding, certainly. So that might be a third wave up. So why is that important to put together for that pass to the upside? Well, basically, at the least in my interpretation here, the pullbacks were searching alternatively impulsive. I mean, this looks as if an impulsive promote-off year however became all offered up once more in this place around 260, and the charge even formed a slightly better excessive. Then the final pullback right here also gave the impression of a correction, which means from an Elliott wave factor of view, it's far a three-wave circulate down, observed with the aid of a small potential upside impulse once more. Now this might be tough to peer here on the only hour chart, but you notice it at the smaller time frames, the movements to the upside appearance greater impulsive, the moves to the downside look extra like three-wave movements. And so long as pullbacks look corrective, this means that three-wave structures, and we're conserving above guide degrees, the overall shape and scenarios may not exchange. Here especially, on the XRP chart, for this on-the-spot upside setup, a so-called 1-2 setup, the rate need to preserve above 276. Now that is simply simplest applicable on the smallest time frame. A more relevant guide region is underneath because this will be for a still unfolding large wave too. So let me provide an explanation for. At the instant, the idea is that a larger triangle pattern, a larger correction finished here at the 13th of January, and then due to that we're now watching for the following move up essentially, which once more, as in line with Elliott wave guidelines, it must be a 5-wave circulate. So we've seen waves 1 and a couple of, and we are now looking for the third wave of that. Now what we do not know at this stage, until there may be a breakout above the previous excessive at $3.40, we do not know if this wave 2 definitely bottomed. It's the present-day thesis, however I can tell you this flow up does not look very similar to a 5-wave flow, okay? It took out the previous high, you should argue it's the 3-wave flow. Therefore, I could put together mentally for another take a look at of aid here of the decrease assist among 251 and 268, but handiest if the upper assist breaks. So for now, the thesis is yellow wave 2 bottomed. This is a 1-2 setup, so long as $2.76 is maintaining a direct breakout to the disenchanted as possible. Underneath that degree, a wider wave, 2 below $2.51, but things would possibly get a piece hard, and the general chart might need to be revised. Then we want to study opportunity structures, but normal, things are looking promising. Obviously, XRP relies upon a little bit at the wider crypto region, but as soon as we get a smash, particularly above the final high at $3.22, followed by using a smash above $3.40, possibly we're on our manner to $4.20 and $5 next. That's just a quick replace, so I hope you liked the update. If you probably did, please hit the like button, depart a comment, and subscribe. And if you certainly like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very plenty.